Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Quang's YouTube channel. If you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Quang's channel. And this is also a way for you to show your appreciation for my sharing over the past time. And in today's video, I will introduce to you how we can develop a pleated arm like this from the basics. So you can imagine that if you were to pleat the sleeve on paper, how long would it take you to complete this sleeve? From the process of cutting, gluing and arranging these pleated pieces, how much time do you think it would take you? Well, I would personally estimate that it would probably take about roughly 10 minutes or so. But if you know how to use tools on software like OptiText, Gerber or various other specialized computer programs, then it would only take you about a quarter or even just a fifth of that time to complete. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to draft this sleeve. I'll start with a basic sleeve like this. Now I'll use a command to create a line from the top of the sleeve down to the wrist area. This is just the position, okay? Next, I'll mark the positions for the pleats. These pleats that open up at the top here. Here's 1 pleat, 2 pleats, 3 pleats. With these 3 pleats arranged like this, I'll mark their placement here. I'll use a tool to position these 3 pleats right here. There, 1 pleat here, 2 pleats here, and this is the 3rd pleat. There we go. And now we're going to open up these pleats, everyone. I'll click on the top point of the pleat, and for this pleat, however much I want to open it, I'll enter that value here. For example, if I want to open it by 10 centimeters, I'll type in 10 centimeters and press enter. You can see that this pleat has been opened. Next are these 3 pleats here. For these 3 pleats, however much I want to open them, I'll select these pleats. I'll select these pleats and enter the value I want to open them by here. For example, I'll open each of these pleats by 2 centimeters. After that, I'll click open. You'll immediately see that this pleat has been opened. See, it's actually very quick and easy, isn't it? And if you are interested in taking the full OptiText software course, you can simply go to Google, type the specific keyword here as online PDS, and then you'll be directed straight to the official PDS Fashion Academy website right here. And you'll see a button called Course Groups. Move your cursor down, click on OptiText software courses, and then you can check out the various OptiText software courses listed below. And if you want to see the content inside, you can click on that specific course to view all of its contents. For example, if you want to view the content of this course, you just click on it and then you can see the content. And if you want further consultation, you can message me on Zalo using this phone number. I will advise you and see you again in the next videos. Hello everyone.